Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be unboxing the new Decidedly Go from the 2025 H case. Let's take a look around the box first. This is new for 2025, like I just said. The body looks to be a metal flick purple. The art is, yeah, it looks like a fantasy car. The reason I got this is mostly because of this. There is a 8-ball, magic 8-ball that's built into this car, and I kind of want to see how it works. So without further ado, let's just cut right into it. I got this car online rather than offline, mostly because the resellers around me, they have underpriced this car from what I believe to be its reasonable price. It's not even at retail. I got this for like 7 ringgit, which is like retail is 10. Retail is 10 to 11. So they've underpriced it already, even for a new case. Like this car, I haven't even seen it that often in retail, like, normal places where you get cars. So think like a 7-Eleven, think like a Family Mart. Like I haven't seen them offline at all. I believe I've cut into the gosh dang paper there, but it's okay. We got the car open. Woo-wee. Okay, let's take a look at the car. I don't know why I'm immediately wanting to twist this 8-ball. It doesn't roll. It's in there. If you can hear, it also rattles because of the dice underneath. But let's calm ourselves down first. The construction of this car is metal on plastic. The plastic is clear, and starting from the front, unlike a real car, there's much details. It's just like you get this little like supercharger thing at the start here, at the front here. That's kind of cool. And then there's the decals, and looking at the sides here, not much details again. Like not even. Oh, I think that's supposed to be an exhaust. It's supposed to be an exhaust. It's kind of cool. Wheels. Oh man, like the exhaust at the back, and then more decals. It says Hot Wheels, but from this side, and this side has nothing. This car is just fun to like rattle around. But my worry, like for its longevity, is the axles bending. From what I've seen from older Hot Wheels cars, especially the open wheeler ones, they all just kind of die by bending the axles, and just like you can't roll it anymore by that point. Moving on to its special feature, there is the magic 8-ball at the bottom here. That's what's rattling around while I was rolling the car around. So let's try to see all the combinations here. Says, what is it? It's certain. And then there's a yes. What is that? What does it say? Reply hazy. Reply hazy again. I think that's. What does it say? New answer is no. Yeah, the casting or the injection molded like dies inside it isn't really casted. The molding isn't really good. It's so hard to read. Answer is no. Then as a reply hazy. Oh, okay. I think we've gone through all the dice sides. Reply hazy. Answer is no. Yes, and God, what's that? It is certain. Yeah, that's all. That's all the dice there is. This is so fun to roll around. This is so fun to like just wiggle around. I'm having a lot of fun. Off I went to get the scale for the weigh test. So there you go, scale, and oh, I believe you can't really see the car. It's on the scale. Let me just. Okay. It is 30 grams. It doesn't feel that light. You know, because I mean it's mostly hollow. I guess I can see why that is. So yeah, let's give it a quick roll here. It rolls really well. You can, I firmly believe you can play this on track and be absolutely fine. You might even win some races here. That's so fun. Let's talk about the design of this car. It's out of order a bit, but this car is designed by Craig Callum, and the paint looks amazing on this. Like taking a closer look, that they call it the Metal Flake Royal Purple. 2025 Hot Wheels have done purple so well, especially the Super Treasure Hunt Hero Hata mug. I really want that. I can't find it, and I don't really want to get it off a scalper. So yeah, last but not least, let's get the turntable out and do a little spinny spin for you guys, just so you can see the car. Whoa! Wow. Okay, let's try that again. That's all for me for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other suggestions, please do let me know. Thank you for spending your time with me. Bye bye.